Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Check Android version and update Google Play. Once done, sign into your primary Google account so Game Center can sync progress and friends. Next, install or update the Play Games or Game Center compatible app and grant required permissions for storage and notifications. You do this now to avoid interruptions later. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are set if matchmaking needs them. These early steps let you proceed directly to configuring You will now configure your profile and connect people. First, create a gamer ID and pick an avatar. This identifies you across games, so choose clearly. Then link game accounts and enable cloud save to prevent lost progress. It also enables cross-device play. Once linked, add friends using their gamer ID, phone contacts, or by accepting in-game invites. This builds your social graph. Make sure privacy settings reflect who can join parties and view activity, because that controls invitations and matchmaking behavior. You finish by launching a multiplayer session and verifying everything works. Invite friends to a private lobby or use matchmaking for broader play, and test voice chat and ping to ensure stable communication. Low latency matters for timing. Once satisfied, start the session and monitor Cloud Sync to confirm progress saves. If you run into problems, try these fixes. Clear the Game Center cache, sign out and back into Google, or reinstall Play Games. Those steps resolve most sync and matchmaking failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.